When it comes to desserts, I have two favorites: chocolate chip cookies and decadent brownies. To me, nothing is better than either one of these when they're served right out of the oven. Well, there is one thing better, and that would be a batch of our Brookie Bars, where we combine the two of them into one all-American treat. We start by preparing a box of brownie mix according to the package instructions, following the directions to make them cake-like, and we pour this into a baking dish. Now for the part that takes us over the top, we drop spoonfuls of refrigerated chocolate chip cookie dough over the brownie batter. And to make this truly all-American, sprinkle on some red, white, and blue candies before popping it in the oven. And if you're wondering why we call these Brookies, it's because they're part brownie and part cookie. When these come out of the oven, you're going to have to use all of your willpower to let them cool before digging in. So get ready for a doubly chocolate experience that is mind-blowing. To get the recipe for our All-American Brookie Bars in time for the 4th, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a red, white, and blue way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm.